Yo, Weave Tech peeps! We're back with some mind-boggling content. Today we're shining a spotlight on construction workers who've taken things to a whole new level. Trust us, you don't want to miss this. The new technology extinguishes fire with a layer of foam instead of water. I'm not sure how effective it is, but it looks really satisfying. If this guy has to cut pasta strands within 6 hours, he'll spend 4 hours sharpening his knife. That's the secret to success. This giant structure is a masterpiece of genius workers, creating an extremely impressive sight. From a plain piece of wood, this skilled craftsman's hands transform it into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece at another level. Thanks to this grass cutter, I could finally recognize that it's a staircase. Remember to mow the grass regularly, my viewers. I see the sparks created during welding like fireworks. These small tips are known only to professional workers with expertise. Disney should hire this worker for their team. When you bring your job to the highest level of mastery, what will it look like? The size of the dam is impressive to anyone who sees it. He throws the trash can, making it glide on the road as if it's skating on a smooth ice surface. This is how they smooth out dirt roads. I'm sure you've never seen a method like this before. Perhaps he's not being paid the full wage. Poor him. The coordination in transportation between these two guys leaves me utterly amazed at the power of their teamwork. This guy could compete in the world's strongest man competition, as he's able to tie steel cables into knots. This guy knows exactly what to do to neatly fold the fabric. This excavator can do everything on its own. With just a handsaw, he creates patterns on the tile all by himself. This is how these containers are lowered, without the need for any equipment. Remember to steer clear of the area where the workers are cutting the trees. How oddly satisfying. Don't be mistaken, this is a flowing stream of water. The sight makes me feel like I'm experiencing an optical illusion. Do you know what job this is? Please let me know in the comments below. With this layer of silicone, your glass door will be much more durable. This girl has made thousands of basketballs to reach this level of skill. This machine sucks up every speck of dirt at a completely other level. Let's watch to see it in action. No need for any cleaning agents. All this pro needs is high pressure water. It takes less than a second for this person to fold a paper box. In a day, a worker can produce over 10,000 boxes. Before every tennis match, the court has to be resurfaced once. That's when these painters come in. His sawing technique is on a different level, as he can make cuts without even spilling his beer on top. The perfect cut from the sharp tool leaves me incredibly satisfied. All the fast food chains in the world would want to hire this guy to work for them. The machine is for those who may not be skilled with their hands but still want to make dumplings. Be confident in handing over your carpet to this worker for cleaning. He has nearly 10 years of experience in carpet cleaning. A satisfying day for florists begin with this task. This tool gives an incredibly beautiful appearance to the breads before they are baked in the oven. With this level of precision, many would think this job is done by a machine, not the hands of a worker. No need for large machinery to demolish this tower, all he needs is a sledgehammer. This cake is made for candy lovers. Nothing can pose a challenge for this truck driver. Car wrapping is a highly skilled job. Let's watch this professional in action. This guy polishes the metal surface to the point where it can reflect an image, like a mirror. When the paint job is done, no one will believe this was once a piece of wood. It's inflated like a big ball. I was afraid it might burst. Even the intricate structures of the house can employ this burning method to fend off wood-boring insects, extending its lifespan. The soil is neatly rolled up under the influence of the cleaning action from the excavator. This job seems to go on endlessly, but it's a never-ending source of relaxation. This crescent-shaped, super sharp specialized knife is an indispensable tool for cutting animal fur. To quickly transform a white wall into a brick wall, this team came up with an incredibly creative idea. This rough ice rink turns incredibly smooth, enough to become a professional ice skating rink. Technique is the most important factor in this job, not strength. The firefighters don't miss a single second when carrying out their mission, even if it's just a training session. The water in this pipe has frozen, but the worker only needs a small maneuver to pull it out. Your inspiration can come from the simplest tasks, like this worker smoothing out their concrete wall. Thank you very much to the workers for their persistence and attention to detail in their work like this. She drops each one meticulously and swiftly. Her skill level is on a completely other level. The road is too slippery to drive normally, so the driver decides to execute a new moving technique. The metal rings, when heated, are cooled in a very large water tank like this one. This job is for those who are strong and agile. Working with aloe vera is perhaps the most satisfying job, especially if you are a professional like this worker. Well, I can't deny how incredibly effective this method is. Joy can come from anywhere, even in our work. Be creative like these workers to always stay happy. When this job is completed, your neighbors will be pleasantly surprised by the beauty of this wall. So, there you have it, folks. These construction pros are rewriting the rulebook. If you dug this video, give us a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more mind-blowing content. Catch you on the flip side.